अस्सलाम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हमारा जो लेक्चर है वो ऑलमोस्ट 14 लेक्चर है स्टैटिस्टिकल डाटा एनालिसिस बाय यूजिंग RStudio. And today we are going to learn how we can perform time series analysis by using the RStudio. Guys, we have discussed each and everything of our course from A to Z. Today our second last lecture and the next will be almost last lecture of our video course. So let's start how we can perform time series analysis by using RStudio. Before going into the detail, we will also learn basically what is time series analysis. So today the lecture is about time series analysis on R. So first of all, we will discuss about what is time series analysis. After that, we will discuss about why we need to perform time series analysis. So first of all, is what is time series analysis? So first of all, we will learn about what is time series analysis. Then if you have not subscribed my channel, must subscribe my channel and also share my channel link with your friends. So time series analysis explains simply. Time series analysis is a method used to analyze data points collected or recorded over time. The key feature is that the data is ordered chronologically, example daily, monthly, yearly. So we collect or record data with the passage over time. What are the changes that are happening? Example time series data. Here is a simple data set explaining time series analysis. So we will see in detail like date January 2020 and sales was 10,000 and February 2020 and the date was sales was 11,200. So this relationship that is according to the time between sales and date we calculate by time series analysis. Why do we use time series analysis? Understand trend, long-term DOT in the data. Example, sales going up every year. Detect seasonality. Like ice cream is more sale in summer. Same forecast future value, but it works next based on the past data. So these are basically common time series techniques. Moving value decomposition, ARIMA, exponential smoothing, stationary check, ADFS, simple use case sales forecasting. So this is basically time series analysis. So let's now move toward our studio. So guys, first of all, I will import dataset. I am going to use cycles dataset, simple cycles dataset. So simple, I will use simple cycles dataset to perform the time series analysis, guys. So here is cycles dataset. I have imported cycles dataset. So now in second step, what we will do, we will str over dataset. First of all, we will str over dataset. Guys, I will also teach you how we can say the R background file in the word as the output. How to create word output file in our next lecture. So first of all, I will import my dataset. Here you can see that my dataset is imported. Now I will str my dataset. I will str my dataset simply. I will str my dataset. So dataset name is Fighters. So here is our dataset Fighters. So I will run this script. Here you can see that our dataset is in the form of a table. We will simply copy this and we will send this to the ChatGPT. I want a type of time series analysis on R. So I need all type of time series analysis on R. Here we go. So ChatGPT simply will we can also take this script from DeepSeek or Gemini. Gemini basically software of Google. I need a code in one script in one one script. So I will take complete code in one script. Here you can see that two responses has two different methods ChatGPT suggested us in the form of code. So we can take any one of them. Here is the computer asking for full time analysis. Here, but you can compare this RStudio. We will simply copy this script and we'll paste this script to the RStudio. Here we will paste this script and we will run all the codes one by one to get the output. You should install relevant packages too if you have not. So first of all, yes, packaging very simple means that our packaging is installing and library is our packaging library. So here you can see that conflicts, output, forecast. Here you can see that red, it means that our package is installing, install, T series package, ggplot2, time series column, library will run again it means that our code is right. Time series plot. Here we can see the time series plot. Here you can time pattern with the passive time pattern is increasing. So moving average point 5 point time series decomposition predicting. Here you can see that Samutal pattern with the passive over time. You can see that guys. Here is basically an error. If there is an error in your script, you can simply copy the error and send to the ChatGPT to fix the. Here you can see the time difference pattern with the passive over time. You can see guys. So this is basically time series analysis. Here you can see that. Here you can see that. I will also teach you in last lecture how we can do the interpretation of the results. So basically here you can see that. Here you can see that time series analysis. So this is all about how we can perform time series analysis on our studio. So guys, this is a very simple lecture. So we can also I will also teach you how we can do interpretations of the words. I will teach this method of interpretation of the word in next lecture, inshallah. So there is also one way. Here I can say that right interpretations. So we can also get interpretations by ChatGPT, but we should also humanize the writing. We cannot write same to same. It may cause detect AI. So we need to fix the thing. So guys, we will discuss interpretation in the next lecture. Inshallah, there is internet problem right now. So in our next lecture, we will discuss these things in the detail, how we can do interpretation of the results. So here, send for ChatGPT and ChatGPT will write down the interpretation of the result and we can write this into our word. The full asking interpretation after 8 times is with your Python dataset. So here is interpretations. This plot shows variation in pattern with over time. So here you can see that we can also do the interpretation without ChatGPT. Here you can see that the forecast pattern is increasing with the passage of the time 2023, 23.1, 23.2. Here you can see you can write in your own workbook. This is all about time series analysis. And must subscribe my channel. So my Python course is also started on my channel. Please watch our videos. Next SSS course will start it. Thank you.